Guys doing, man? This is Martin coming at you from my series on how to pay off your car loan in 36 months without giving up Starbucks. Still haven't gone to Starbucks, man. I just don't feel like waiting in line. You looked at my other series on the one where my conspiracy theory on the Democrats and the C-19 virus. Do you believe it or not? That's what I'm gonna start having, my special conspiracy weekend series, because you get so tired of I was so focused on a week, having fun, trying to make money, trying to keep my head above water, coming to you guys with some excellent content. I think you guys needed a break just to hear, hey, let's have some, because when I grew up, I used to love reading the Inquirer. What was it, the Inquirer and something else? I can't remember it, but it was another one, the Globe, and there was even another one back in the old days. So National Enquirer, I think, the Globe, and another one. In the old days when I was younger, but you guys don't know about that. That was in the day people used to read books. I watched this, but I'm looking at the news today, and it's like I'm gonna have to read about the stimulus package thing. Seems like there's a lot of good things for businesses, and someone told me that the only thing they're gonna give the people who aren't working is $1,200. Man, damn. I thought it was like the Bush payout, man, where they were just hooking everybody up. I think during Bush's time, they gave us everybody $100, $500. You go out and just party. They said, come on, brother, buy your fucking vote. Come on, Negro, take that money. You know you need it. He's right. Give me that money, Bush. But that was the son Bush. Hook me up. And now, be happy with your Democrats. So my theory on the Democrats. They no longer have like the black old people to try to go for their votes, or the old Hispanic. So they're trying to create themselves like a new market with like the poor people and middle class. So that's why the tax cut was so small. If it was a large enough tax cuts, then large enough check coming back, then you'll be able to last a little longer, plan better, and then find a way to like get yourself back on. But $1,200, what? That's Schumer, Nancy Pelosi, Maxine Waters, all your Democrats in the House, all your Democrats in the Senate. I'm not talking about that. I'm just saying, what are you gonna do with $1,200, man? And if you only make that if you don't have over 100,000, which means I ain't getting shit back. So you know what? Fuck all you guys who are gonna get money back. I have no mercy for you. So if you're gonna you're gonna hate on people with money, you're gonna go and talk about Bush, you're gonna talk about anything about anybody else, I don't want to hear it, man. I just don't want to hear it, because I ain't getting no money back, man. It's like 100 grand. I was like, no way. I thought gonna give us something back. We ain't getting anything back, man. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. So what are you guys doing? So what you guys been watching today, man? Huh? You guys been watching some stuff? Instead of going find you some, should be out there finding us some money, man. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but I don't want any binge watching. I don't want any wasting money on stuff. You guys need to be focusing, man. This is the time to focus. Fun time's over. We're in the eye of the hurricane. You should be happy Trump extended that for 30 days, so it'll be a little bit more, be a little quieter. But then when we come out the storm, man, people gonna be hurting. I'm telling you, it's gonna be crazy. They're gonna be burning stuff, doing crazy stuff. Get ready for it. Hey, Joe. So get ready for it, man. So what was I saying? So it's like someone from work I saw. I didn't want to hear me. Nothing back. So yeah. So what are you guys doing? Who's been watching? What are you doing? Who's getting tired of their kids, man? Are their kids driving you crazy? Mama, Dada, you tired of your significant other? I love you, baby. If there's anything in the world, I wouldn't be stuck with you. It's like, what kind of bullshit is that? I can't wait to see that Facebook post in 2 years. Oh, we're divorced, separated. I'm a single mom now. Well, jeez. So much for that. Till death do us part. You guys couldn't survive 60 days of the C-19 virus. So come on. Can't wait, man. It's just going to be hell is coming, you guys. This is the eye of the storm right now. Be happy. You guys are under home arrest, because in a couple of weeks, people are going to realize, hey, man, I ain't got no money. I don't think my company's going to call me back, because they threatened to ask Trump to give them money, and Trump said no. So What does that mean? They're not gonna bring me back, and it is gonna be insane. I'm telling you. I am just waiting, man. Probably got to go buy me a gun. Like Ace Hood, same shit at different day. That's what it's going to be for a lot of you guys, man. That's probably what it is for a lot of you now. But who's interviewing? Who's working on their skills? Who's learning something new? Because we'll see, like with some of these tax deductions, it looks like it's going to be a pretty big boom for like anything related to building, plumbing, and construction. But are you going to be one of the guys working on that crew? Do you have good enough salespeople at your company to get those jobs? Who's going to try to go out to the residential market? Who's going to call the commercial people up? Say, hey, if you get this roof done to this year and you have the money, you can expense it and reduce your taxes in 2019. Hey, you make a lot of money. Do you want to keep paying taxes? So who's going to go out there? I'm going to be out there. But who's going to be out there with me? Selling people, talking to people. This is the time. You got to work on your sales skills, work on your marketing skills. Game is over, man. Some of you in these industries, like retail, is over, man. You've only had 2 or 3 people meandering in today. Now you're gonna wait till you come back. You ain't seen nothing yet. And the next thing, like these supermarkets, oh, it's coming to you. Albertsons and Vons, who didn't have any cashiers working. Now I got cashiers with the mask and the gloves. Hey, if you put as much attention as to wearing that mask and glove for your staff as you did in manning the cashier registers, you wouldn't have to try to put down, we're in this together. We ain't in shit together. I don't have to get through anything. I'm so sick of that saying. But what's gonna happen, man? All that food and stuff, and then but I'm not gonna buy the toilet paper because I told you the toilet paper. I can't go with what I say. Yeah, toilet paper is laced with C19, man. I can't buy it, so I'm gonna have to. I don't know, man. I gotta just go to just uses my see how long I can keep my toilet paper to last. It'll be like one of those Twilight Zone movies episodes. How long can the toilet paper last till I go out to the store and buy the C19 laced toilet paper? Guess what? I was part of my conspiracy theory this weekend, so go back and look at it. But no, now is the time you really need to work on your sales skills, work on your marketing skills, pull out that resume, and just rip it apart, man. That's for a world who doesn't exist. I went to the 2008 recession, and this is nothing. This is like going to be twice as bad. Though they say, Grant Cardone did teach me something today. I kept forgetting about a forbearance. A forbearance is, and I was looking at the chat room, a forbearance means they're not going to waive the money. That just gives you 90 days to come up with the money. So, because I remember I almost lost my house back in the 2008 recession because I didn't pay the mortgage for 2 months. And once you fall behind a mortgage by at least 1 month, you're already like playing with fire. You fall behind it by 2 months and you can't get any type of reduced fees, you are in trouble. So I'm imagining 3 months, we're going to have like 3 months, people are going to get forbearance. Probably take another 3 to 4 months to get them out of the house if they can't get their house paid up. So you're looking at another recession in the housing market in about 7 months. I was wrong about the people going to the market, so I could be off. Let's say 14 months, because I said it would take 1 week for all the food to return to the supermarkets, and it actually took 2 weeks. And still haven't returned like the meats and stuff, but that's only for people who are going to die anyway of like overweight, obesity, and high blood pressure. So most of that food you don't even need anyway. Only thing that's really missing is some of the meats I saw. It wasn't really much. I could have survived. I would like to buy the Kingsford ribs. I don't know if any of you, if they would just reduce the price just a little, or if they would throw a second. Kingsford, if you're out there, just throw a second slab of ribs into that one you give me in an aluminum pan. I'm there. I just can't afford to pay that one big pan. I love the ribs, but they ain't that good now. Now, you put 2 in there, I'm in. That reminds me of my grandfather Hall cooking. But today is Monday, so who's at home with the kids? Who's like with their significant others? Who's got on a phone saying, are you safe? What do you fucking mean, am I safe? It's not like I'm coming to a zombie if I did get sick. And if you get it, you better make sure if you die, you don't come back. Because if not, I'm going to put you down the second time. Long as we don't have anything like that coming, I'm not in here with you together. I don't care. I don't care anything about you. You can get the flu. You can die from it. I really don't care. Unless you're a family member, I don't care. We're not in this together. This is a man-made recession. This is like a Democratic-made recession, trying to keep everyone home. There's like more people running around with herpes and STDs than there is with this COVID-19. And if they haven't, so what? Have they showed any system? Eventually, the body develop a natural antivirus. This is all politics. Democrats they were upset because they thought they were going to get Trump. Bernie threw off the plan because he never dropped out. And now you have a disaster of like damage control. So this is calm now. Enjoy the peace, because in a few weeks, people are going to find out after April, watch all hell break loose. I don't know what's going to happen, because some people are going to find out they ain't got no money. There's 90-day forbearance. People are going to underestimate. Even if they're going to get kicked out today, they'll get kicked out tomorrow. So subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, comment, like. Just wanted to give you some thoughts on the Monday, because I know some of you guys are sitting at home. Go back and watch my videos. Learn how to pay off my student loan, $93. It'll be down to $31,789. Go back and watch my videos. Subscribe, comment, like. Let me know what you think. I got some excellent programs coming. Yes, I will charge you money, because either you pay me now or you'll end up on the corner and I'll pay you later.